morning, everyone. My name is Jatin Yadav. Today I want to talk about I have a question from all of you. What is confidence to you? Attitude and
to present yourself in a good manner in front of others.
what is confidence to you? And or and more.
Being fearless.
Fearless.
I think the confidence is the key to success. Let's take a certain example. I have a same cardboard. It is full of empty, and I will put on it here. And there is a towel. I will put on. I have two bulbs. What will happen if I will drop the bulb in the towel, in the cardboard? The bulb will break or the towel will break? The bulb. According to you, the bulb will break. But I will prove you wrong. First, I want to invite the person, anyone, and she can come here and he will drop the bulb in. Sir.
Good morning.
Sir, in the.
Do I?
Yes, sir.
Like this?
Yes, sir. Sir, nothing happened.
Yes. Nothing has happened.
Nothing happened.
Let me check. Now it is. Nothing has happened.
But I am thinking in my mind, if I will drop the bulb in the cardboard, so the tail must be broken. I am thinking in my mind the bulb should be broken. The bulb will become stone. You can come. The tile has broken.
The tile has broken.
This is the power of confidence. Sir, you can come. You can also come. Anybody can come. I'm invited all. I'm inviting all. This is the real power of confidence. If you have a confidence to do anything and willingness, so definitely you can do anything. Whatever you want to do. I have a confidence. You all are saying to me, you cannot break the tail. You are saying in your mind that you cannot break the tail, but I have proved you wrong. This is the power of confidence. That sir has also come. Sir has also dropped the bulb in the cardboard, but the bulb has not broken because sir has not that much confidence that I have. But I have a confidence that definitely I will break the tail. That I will prove it in front of you. This is the power of confidence. If you have a confidence, definitely you can achieve anything, whatever you want to do. Confidence is the key to success. Thank you.